we breathe, air travels down the throat, through the windpipe and into the lungs. The narrowest part of that pathway is in the back of the throat. When we're awake, muscles keep that opening relatively wide. But when we sleep, those muscles relax. That narrows the opening. The air passing through may cause the throat to vibrate. That causes snoring. Obviously, many people experience this. But in some people, the throat closes so much that enough air doesn't get through to the lungs. When this happens, the brain gets a message to wake up. The brain quickly activates the muscles that hold the throat open. Air gets through again, and the brain goes back to sleep. This only takes a few seconds. You may not even know you've awakened, but this process may happen over and over, hundreds of times, all night long. You may never get into the deep, restful stage of sleep. As a result, you may feel exhausted when you wake up and feel sleepy all day. Many mistakes and serious accidents are caused by sleep deprivation.